Welcome to Data Design YouTube channel. Embark on a literary journey through the world of design, where our collection top contemporary bookshelf ideas. This curated showcase transcend traditional book storage, presenting innovative and stylish ways to display your literary treasures. Witness the fusion of form and function as these bookshelves become focal points within contemporary interiors. These designs range from minimalist floating shelves to intricate geometric masterpieces, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. Explore the artful integration of materials such as wood, metal, and glass, reflecting a perfect balance of modern aesthetic and practicality. These bookshelves not only serve as a storage solution but elevate your space with their unique and eye-catching designs. Discover the place of asymmetry, creative configuration, and the strategic use of color that make these contemporary bookshelves stand out. Whether you prefer an industrial vibe, a Scandinavian chic look, or a more eclectic feel, or collection offers a spectrum of inspiration to enhance your home decor. Join us in exploring the world of top contemporary bookshelf ideas, where each shelf tells a story of design, innovation, and literally elegance. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.